Hi, I am Beaver Buddy. What if a cell phone could tell you when someone needed love? At the end of this story, you will find a moral that you will never forget. In the middle of a glassy city stood an old repair shop where forgotten gadgets went to rest. There, hidden under wires, lived a dusty phone named Ringlo. Ringlo wasn't ordinary. He glowed in soft colors when someone nearby felt lonely. But no one knew his secret because no one had turned him on in years. One rainy afternoon, a girl named Luma wandered into the shop. Her eyes were heavy with sadness, and her voice was too small for the world to notice. Luma picked up Ringlo without much thought, drawn to the warmth pulsing from his chipped screen. The moment her hand touched him, he lit up in gold. Back at home, Luma powered Ringlo with a recycled cable. The phone beeped, blinked, and then displayed a message. Someone near you needs a friend. Confused, she read the blinking arrow on the screen. It pointed to the window. Across the street sat a boy hugging his knees under a broken umbrella. Luma hesitated. She barely spoke at school and had no friends herself. But Ringlo chimed again. Kindness begins with one hello. She walked out, heart thumping. Do you want to come inside? She asked. The boy looked up, surprised, then nodded without saying a word. His name was Theo. He had moved to the city 3 days ago and hadn't spoken since. His parents worked late, and he hated the silence. Luma showed him Ringlo. As soon as Theo touched the screen, a soft blue glow surrounded them both. Someone else is lonely. It blinked. The phone guided them block after block until they reached a park bench, where a grumpy man fed breadcrumbs to invisible pigeons. Theo approached him slowly and offered a cookie from his backpack. The man blinked, confused, then chuckled. You kids are strange, but thank you. Word spread. Each day, Luma and Theo followed Ringlo's lights and helped someone. An old lady locked out, a baby bird on a sidewalk, a crying teacher. People began waving at them, smiling when they passed by. The city felt brighter, even if the gray skies hadn't changed. But one night, Ringlo stopped glowing. His screen showed a message Luma couldn't understand. Tomorrow, the real test comes. The next morning, the city buzzed with sirens. Smoke curled into the sky. An electrical fire had broken out in the old repair shop. Luma and Theo raced there. The shop was blackened, but inside they found the shopkeeper, Mr. Oswin, coughing and trapped under a shelf. Without hesitation, Theo dashed inside. Luma called for help while holding Ringlo tight. His screen now blinked. Be brave. Be fast. Theo lifted the wood just enough. Mr. Oswin crawled free, soot on his face, tears in his eyes. You two saved me, he whispered. Firefighters arrived moments later. Theo was bruised, but safe. Luma clutched Ringlo, but the phone now felt cold and silent. Back at home, Ringlo's screen flickered once more. This time, no arrows, no instructions. Just a final message. Your hearts now know the way. Weeks passed. Theo and Luma didn't need Ringlo anymore. They still helped people, but now they listened to smiles, eyes, and silences. One sunny morning, as they played chess in the park, a small boy approached. I lost my puppy, he sniffled. They followed tiny paw prints, asked neighbors, and searched bushes. At sunset, they found the puppy stuck behind a fence, tail wagging furiously. The boy cheered, hugging the muddy dog. Luma smiled and whispered to Theo, "We didn't need Ringlo this time." Theo grinned back, "We've become Ringlo." That night, Luma opened the drawer where she'd kept the phone. Ringlo lay there, dark, but smiling. Not with lights, just with memory. She whispered, "Thank you," and closed the drawer. The city outside twinkled not from gadgets, but from hearts that had learned to shine. Far above, in a satellite floating through stars, a tiny blip blinked gold. Somewhere, another Ringlo had just awakened. Moral: true connection doesn't come from screens. It comes from the courage to care and the kindness to act. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.